As I did like this, so now only 2,000 naira in my account. Only bread na 2,000. I go pay water bill, I go pay light bill, as in I go buy electricity. My salary never come. My house rent don't reach again. So what I can't achieve now? More year to year, na hand to mouth. So just they work, they pay bills, they survive, they chop food, no investment, nothing. To be person achieve, guy, no wow. But I been get money like 100k now. It's not now just soup, breakfast, 100k just finish. And this one, now wow. But I say people in the husband house, my their own come better. Like their own better. Not be all of them say better for them there. So I'm just there they bear the name. Now them say they even carry the house matter for head. Oh, and as I no get money, malaria said don't they worry me. You can't say my body hot. Now wow, you gonna help me. So now money malaria, not the malaria, now money malaria. And the sickness where lack of money because be this.